So welcome back guys. In this video, I'm gonna tell about Microsoft is hiring for internship, that too with a salary of. Let me tell you what is a salary later. Now let's jump directly into the video. So I'll be telling you how to apply, where to apply, how to prepare for this internship, and what is the salary for this internship one by one, and who can apply for this internship as well. So what is this internship is all about? So Microsoft is hiring for students who are studying right now. Check the link in my description. Open the link. You can find where you can apply for this internship. So let's talk about qualification, like who all can apply for this internship. Students who are studying engineering, computer science or any other related fields can apply for this internship easily. If you're not from engineering, then wait for the end of the video because I have bonus tip and bonus internship for you guys. So once you go to the website, check the eligibility and apply for this internship directly. Now what and all you have to be prepared for this internship to get selected for this high paying internship. The first thing is technical skills. You need to be good at cloud technologies like Microsoft Azure and AWS. And any programming languages like Python, C Hash or JavaScript can help you to move further. And basic knowledge of networking, database and security as well. Apart from technical skills, you should have good communication skills and also problem solving abilities. Make sure that you have it. Let me tell you what exactly you have to do as a technology consultant intern with an example. Let's say you have a box of toys and you don't know how to play, but your friend is going to help you by arranging the toys and teaching you how to play. Exactly, this is what technology consultant intern is all about. The clients will be having all the Microsoft products and they will know what to do. You as a technology consultant intern will help them how to build new tools and how to play in the Microsoft playground. Now coming to the interesting part, how much salary you gonna get as an intern? The expected salary is around 13.7 LPA. Yes, you heard it right. It's 13.7 LPA expected, which is a high paying internship, so don't miss this opportunity. So for this internship, I have told how to apply, where to apply, how to prepare and what all you have to prepare. If you want the free guide for this preparation, you can check the link in the description, and I have explained you the salary also. If you're a person who is not an engineer but still you want to do internship, check the links in my guide because I have given internships for non-tech students also. So go and apply. Students who are studying can also apply for those internships as well. So don't forget to check the guide. And in my next video, I'm going to tell about TCS is going to hire 40,000 people by next March 2025, including tech and non-tech students also. So I'll be posting that video very soon. So make sure that you subscribe, follow, and do share this useful video with your friends. It will be definitely useful for them. So see you guys in the next video. Don't miss out the next video because that is very important. Until then, peace.